guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is going to be, bro, why is my hair so hard? My hair feels like straw. My hair feels like if I touch it, it's gonna crinkle away somewhere or blow away. Blow away somewhere. I am going to tell you why your hair might be really hard and brittle, and you may not even know this is what you're doing to your hair. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. So the first thing is you're not moisturizing your hair, but then you might be like, but I am moisturizing my hair. But I'm gonna be like, so did you spray water on your hair first before you put any product on your hair? May not. You need to moisturize your hair, and if your hair is in a damaged state, you need to moisturize your hair daily with water. You need to wake up in the morning, spray your hair with water, and before you go to sleep, you need to spray your hair with water. Water is moisture. Water is the most important thing. Water is the most important thing for your hair, and then the second thing I will say is oil. Oil is the most important thing. So if you don't have all the money in the world to go get the most fanciest hair product, just go and get yourself some nice oils if your hair is clean, and seal your hair with some oil. Put water on it and then put an oil on the top of that, and your hair will feel so much better, so much moisturized. But you are not moisturizing your hair if your hair is that dry. You absolutely need to wake up in the morning and spray your hair with water, and spray your hair again with water before you go to sleep. The next way that you might be causing your hair to be super thirsty, sis, is deep conditioning. You are not deep conditioning your hair enough, and your hair is needing that extra love, the extraness that come from a deep conditioner. Whether you make a homemade conditioner like deep conditioner like I do, avocado and banana and olive oil, that is the deep conditioner that my hair loves. So, or else if you rather go buy a deep conditioner off the store shelf, you just need to deep condition your hair whichever way that you want to deep condition it. Just make sure you are deep conditioning your hair on a weekly basis, or I don't even want to say any type of regimen, because your hair might be different than my hair. So whatever stage that your hair is in, because there are so many different stages that your hair can be in, just moisturize. Make sure you are deep conditioning your hair when you do a wash day routine. It's deep conditioning your hair, and your hair is gonna love and thank you for that. Pre-poo. Oh my gosh, like I just came into the world of pre-pooing since I've had a baby. You guys, pre-pooing has changed my hair's life. I did not pre-poo before. I would just jump right into the shower, start putting water on my hair, adding either conditioner and then shampoo, or shampoo and then conditioner, whichever way that my hair wants to be treated at that time. And then I would deep condition my hair, and I would never pre-poo my hair. If you have low porosity hair, you guys, you need to pre-poo your hair. Your hair will love and thank you for it later. It adds so much moisture to your wash day routine. It's not even funny, and your hair will be so moisturized throughout the week. I am so sorry for you guys that have been watching me for this long, but you know, you grow and you learn as things go on in life. You need to pre-poo your hair if you have low porosity hair. Pre-pooing, you can do olive oil with any type of favorite conditioner you like. Just mix it up, put it on your hair, put some type of heated rag or a heated hot cap on your head, and pre-poo your hair before you start shampooing it. It will make the biggest difference in your ends, your tangles, and your hair will be so much more moisturized. You may not be pre-pooing your hair. Try to pre-poo your hair for at least 2 months straight, and I promise you, you will see a difference in moisture. Which leads me into my next thing, a hot oil treatment. You may not be doing as many hot oil treatments as you need to. Hot oil treatments are so simple, but you forget to do them. Like, you can literally just put some oil in your hands, on your fingertips, rub your scalp, make sure you get enough oil on your scalp, just rub it kind of down the length of your hair just a little bit, put your hair in a bun, and then just put a heated dryer on your hair, and all you got to do is sit down under the dryer for about like 10 minutes if you don't have that much time, and boom, you don't even necessarily have to redo anything to your hair if you don't have that much product in your hair already. Hot oil treatments, it can be really easy if you don't use that much product in your hair. Which, what I mean by a lot of product is gel. You got your leave-in conditioner, and then you got a styling cream, then you have your gel on top of that, and then you put an oil on there to break up a cast. Well, you can't put any more stuff on your hair because your hair is not going to accept anything else. So hot oil treatments are really important for people that have really dry hair, mainly type 4 hair, but everybody everybody could use a hot oil treatment for more moisture. Which leads me to my next thing, leave-in conditioner. If you have low porosity hair, you need to put a leave-in conditioner in your hair while you're in the shower, and that will make the biggest difference for you with moisture as well. With low porosity hair, once the cool air hits it, your hair is gonna be like, shoo. That means your hair shaft is like, shoo. It's like, I'm not accepting nothing, we're not doing nothing, no, I'm closed. You need to put your leave-in conditioner in while you're in the shower to give your hair that extra boost, that extra moisture, and the hair will actually accept the moisture that you're trying to put in to your hair. So if you're not using a leave-in conditioner, you need to use a leave-in conditioner and put it in your hair while you're in the shower, and that will make the world of difference for your hair and moisture if you put the leave-in conditioner in while you're in the shower. Okay, so the next two things might make somebody get a little pissed. You might be using the wrong product. I know your favorite is YouTuber. Ding, 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 ding. No, I'm just kidding. But seriously though, if I'm using something that works for my hair, it may not work for your hair, and that's completely fine. Go and get a product that works for you, because the crap that I might use for my hair, and I just almost fell off my bed. Hey, tip. The crap that I use for my hair may not work for your hair. So you need to go out and get things that work for your hair, or else go to your kitchen and make things that work for your hair. Not all products is going to work for your hair, and I can kind of get into that a little bit later, but just make sure that you are using a product that works for your hair, and just don't be trying to use a popular product because that's what everybody else is using, because it 9 times out of 10 is making your hair dry, or else they have something inside the product that your hair don't like and is making your hair dry and hard and brittle to work with. So think about the products that you're using and ask yourself, why am I using these products? If the reason why you're using the products is because, well, my favorite YouTuber is using it, then you need to look at your products, okay? Because your favorite YouTuber ain't your hair. Which is gonna be the next topic, your hairstyle. Why are you wearing this hairstyle? This might be making your hair dry. If you have very thick 4-type hair and you keep trying to wear a wash and go, this wash and go could very well be making your hair very dry and very brittle. Your hair might love to be in protective styles all the time, and if you are trying to wear a wash and go, which already makes your hair dry, I mean, people that wear wash and goes have to wash their hair like every 4 days to a week, I believe, because of so much the product that you're putting on top of your hair. You can't really add any more moisture on the top of your hair if you're already still if you already got all this product on your hair. You can't really add anything else on your hair, because it's going to reactivate the old product and you're not going to be able to get any more moisture inside of your hair. So the hairstyle that you are wearing, which it could be a wash and go, and I'm not picking on any particular style, I just know these are the styles that make my hair dry, so I'm just speaking for myself. So if this is you guys, wash and go could be making your hair very dry. Putting weave in your hair could be making your hair really dry. Flat ironing your hair too much can damage it and also make your hair really dry. Those are 3 things that made my hair very damaged, dry, and broke off. So if you're using any type of hairstyle or any type, if you have a hairstyle that you're trying to rock and your hair just don't agree with it, you need to really listen to your hair, because it could be causing you length. If you want to see length, like if you're a girl that wants your hair to grow, then the hairstyles could be causing your hair to lose length. So I hope this video really helps someone out there. These are the things that is causing your hair to be dry as hay, and I hope that this really helped you guys out there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave comments down below and give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Bye.